wins? Who decides whether he loses or wins? A man's life is like a pattern on the floor. It's all fixed like a maze. He wanders in the pattern. Then fear can be the end of him. A man's fear of his fate often is his fate. Leaping to avoid it, he meets it.
No more words. Father.
You were my husband. You are my son. You killed my husband. I bore your sons.
No more words. Mother.
If only fate were ours to choose, you would see me on quiet waters where the airs are gentle. A full sail, but a light wind. No blast, no smashed rigging. No fogging downwind into cliffs. No vanishing in mid-ocean.
I say, let there be no more words between us.
Foolish Icarus. He thought that he could fly. Tried to crawl across the stars. Met the sun face to face and fell. His father Daedalus was wiser. He flew lower. Tried to keep under the clouds. Till Icarus drove past him. Down through emptiness. A cry. Dwindling. Tiny in the midst of a vast sea.
I should be stabbed! Smashed under a rock! I should have died in my mother's womb! Drowned in her blood! Before anything! On the first day!
Nothing in me moved. I'm not healed. I shared the wrong. How do I share the punishment? It's me. I'm at the root of it. I am the root. This womb. So die. Let out that hell that lives within you. Nothing would be enough to punish it. A mother. A whore. All I want is death. Find it! You killed your father! Finish it! Is this the dagger that killed him? Is this it that killed my husband? And my husband's father with a single stab? Where shall I have the second stab? This place